All right, so has everybody written 1.1 numerical expressions and then today's date on top of your paper?
Yes.
Okay. So, example 1. Oh, no, I don't want to do example. Sorry, I immediately got you. Also, you need to know that as a teacher, and Ms. Langworthy will be teaching you for a little bit, so you'll have a reprieve of this because Ms. Langworthy is going to be much better at this than I am. But I tend to correct myself a lot. All right, I want you to write out something that looks like this. Okay. Raise your hand if you know a word that means this. Addison.
Addition.
Adding.
Sum. Sorry.
Ooh, they're both good. Everybody write down adding and the word sum. Okay. Somebody new, raise your hand. Yes.
Plus.
Plus. What else? Yeah? In addition. Yeah, I'm going to write the word in front of adding, just in case they say in addition or just add or adding. What else? What if I have 7 apples and you have 5 apples? I have more. More than. Yes? Positive. I like that. Part of your homework is going to be translating algebraic phrases into word sentences. So we're looking for good things here. I like the word sum a lot. All right, let's go to the next one. What do we see? You don't even have to raise your hands now. You can just yell.
Difference.
Difference. Subtract. Hold on. Difference. Good. Subtract. Ooh, actually, since you said decrease right here, let's put increase in the other category. Nice job. Negative. The first column's kind of helping us now, isn't it? Less than. What did you just say? Minus. Okay. We got them all? How about this? What is this? That's times or multiply. Why didn't I draw an X there? Yes.
Because X's are used almost commonly for variables.
Right, for algebra, and we use it all the time, so we don't want to confuse that anymore. So if you know right now that I'm talking about you deep in your heart, that you sometimes use an X for multiply, now's the time we got to give it up. Okay, because it's going to get really confusing later in this class, that's for sure. What else? Yes?
I know I'm for the subtraction later on.
Oh, another one?
Yeah, could you take away?
Oh, please. My son is in 4th grade, and last year I asked him what he was doing. He's like, well, we already did our pluses, so now we're doing our takeaways. And I'm like, cool. Practicing our takeaways. Times, multiply. Product. Great. Yes? Factor. Factor is usually splitting it apart. I'm going to put that here. Well, it's still something we want. Product. I'm going to say of. Of is a really good one. Like if I said 60% of 10, of means multiply, always. All right. How about this side? Divide, division.
Dividend.
Dividend is not what you think it is. It is, is it the top or the bottom of no. Inside or the outside of dividing. I think it's the thing that's on the inside of a division sign. Is that right?
Is it divisor, I think?
Divisor and dividend. But anyway, these are parts of dividing.
Yeah.
What is this word, though? We have like sum, right? We have, yes, quotient. I'm going to write here out of. If I have 6 out of 10, that's a division sign. I'm also going to write the word fraction here because a fraction is a dividing sign. Are you guys aware of that? Like 3/4 is 3 divided by 4? Okay. All right, so here's what your homework is going to look like. Part of it, that is. It'll say something like, I don't want to do that one. I'm going to do the sum of 5 and 9 divided by 2. Notice that these are in words. The sum of 5 and 9 divided by 2. When you see the word sum, that means that you're going to want to put parentheses around it because it's suggesting that you want to do that first.
5 and 9.
So here's how you would answer the question. You'd write parentheses, 5 plus 9, parentheses, divided by 2, or you could have like a fraction and have 2 on the bottom, so it could look like this, 5 plus 9 divided by 2. And on these problems, you don't have to figure out what it is, you just translate it and you're done. So this is the answer. You feel good about that? Okay. Let's talk about the order of operations next. You guys heard of PEMDAS before?
Yep. Please excuse my Dion Sally.
Oh. All right, somebody raise your hand and tell me what the P stands for. Yes. Parentheses. Parenthesis. Parentheses.
Please silence your phone.
That's me. I gotta silence it. I'm being a jerk today. How about E? Yes? Exponents.
So, question.
Yes.
What if we already know all of these?
Then you don't have to write it down. How about M? Multiply. And D stands for divide. But these two are done at the same time. Left to right. So like, it's not like you do all the multiplication, then all the division. You do left multiplication and division left to right same time. And this one is add and subtract. And it's the exact same deal, left to right.
Unless it's in parentheses.
Right, because then it would be on the top. All right, example 2. This is something you definitely have to write down. Let's do, what did I write down? Do I want to do, yeah. All right, let's do 20 minus 7 plus 8 squared minus 7 times 11. Okay, I'm going to talk through this one with you guys. There's no parentheses. Agreed? Exponents, that's 8 squared. What does 8 squared mean?
8 times itself, right?
8 times itself, right? So it'd be 8 times 8, which is 64. Everybody write down 64. It's a common mistake to say that that's 16 because you kind of want to just multiply them, but you can't do that. Caden, can you write this one down? Next, we have to do multiplying, right? I strongly suggest, do you guys know that minus is the same thing as a negative? So everybody change that minus to plus a negative. All right, so this is 20 minus 7 plus 64. And then what's negative 7 times 11? Negative 77. That was us doing the multiply and divide. And now we're going to go left to right, add and subtract. So 20 minus 7 is 13. 13 plus 74 is a positive 77. So the final answer to this will be 0. Now, you guys don't know me, so let me make something really clear. I'm going to give you a second to finish. Am I going too fast today?
No.
Okay. Everybody look up. When you do your homework, do you have to show every step?
Yes.
No. I'm not the same as other teachers, okay? It is not acceptable just to write the answer, but let's suppose that you could figure out 64 in your head and you wanted to jump directly to step 3. That's okay. I need to see some work. You don't have to have everything in a separate line, but I do need to see some work on how you got it, okay? But if you want to do a couple shortcuts because this is going really fast for you, then that will be awesome. What time is it right now? We need to get out of here at, okay, good. All right, we're going to do 2 more examples, but these ones are going to be a contest with you and your partner. So right now, point at your Post-it partner. Point at your Post-it partner. All right, I want you to go sit by your Post-it partner and bring your stuff. We'll talk in a second. Go for it.
I don't know why. Jackson was here earlier today. Not here.
Who's your partner?
Jackson.
Jackson. Okay. Do we have an even amount in here? Who's my floater?
Matthew.
So you're with Matthew. Okay. So Matthew, yep. You're together with Josie. All right. So we're going to do 2 problems. Let me make something clear. Did we already do it? Yep, you're totally right. My bad. Thank you. Addison, get ready to correct me a lot on that. I make that mistake all the time. I swear I'm an intelligent, smart person, but it doesn't always come out. All right, everybody ready? So everybody look at my beautiful face. Okay, look at my beautiful face. Look at me. Look at me. This is not a race. The important part about this is explaining to your partner what you're doing and making sure that you guys agree. If you are both confused, call over me or Ms. Langworthy or Mr. Mayfield, and one of us will help you. Okay? But you have to try this, and you have to try it with your partner. Do you guys understand?
Yeah.
It's 2 whole problems. You can do it. Here we go. First one is parentheses 4 plus 5, parentheses, squared. Over, so this is a fraction, 3, parentheses, 7 minus 4, parentheses. Don't get started right away and just listen. Do you see how there's no symbol next to this 3? What does that mean? Multiply. So you might as well put a dot right in there right now. And the second one is going to be 15 minus bracket 10 plus parenthesis.
Isn't the bracket like the...
It's like an outside parenthesis. You'll see in a second. And then this is 3 minus 2 parenthesis squared bracket plus 6. So when you're doing this, you're going to do the inside parenthesis first, then work your way out to the brackets. All right, I'm going to tell you right now, everybody look up. The answer to this one's 9, and the answer to this one is 10, so that you can see if you're doing it right. Okay? All right, talk to your partner. You must talk to each other. Go.
I agree. I think it's 9. I looked up their house. Your judgment. I put that down on here. And then I looked back up there. You see 10? So I put that down there. 10 That's a shame.
Oh, I forgot this. Oh, square. Because yeah, I was going to say that's one of the square.
Okay, got 'em right?
3 takeaways would be 1 and then square. See, I don't want to think. I forgot one.
Not really. Yeah, I see. Oh, Shayla's one of the
Yeah, that was the district.
Are we all enjoying staring at the ceiling?
Wait, how long did you teach here?
What?
How long have you taught here?
Oh,
Like Sam Braun's pretty old.
yeah. My first one was 2016, but I think I started here in 2015. But I don't think I did it the first year. No, 2014. I've been here for 11 years. This one? Last.
How old
Right, I always go when the class ends. So, like, even if it's a semester class, this class would end in 26.
There's ours. We're not full ours.
But you're with me all year, whether you like it or not.
Well, at least for us. Maybe it's for ours. They're June.
All right. Are we ready? Okay, so here's the deal. To win a prize, You and your partner have to come up to my desk. One of you will be silent and just be writing. But one of you will be talking and explaining your ideas. Okay? You can go for example 3 or example 4. You can't do both. Although you can just raise your hand and I'll call on you via the calculator. And if you choose, whichever one you choose is the one you get. Okay? All right, listen up. Talk to your partner right now and ask them if they're interested and willing to come up here. And if so, who's going to talk and who's going to write?
Well, I know how to do this. I got it. Like this is 4 plus 5.
Remember, if I call you for something you don't want to do, you just say, pass. Hands up, or one hand up per partnership if you'd like to come up here. All right, your team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Team 5. Team 5. You get first choice. Would you like to do example 3 or example 4? 3. And then team 4? Who is that? You guys? Do you want to do example 3 or no?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, come on up, guys.
Wait, I want to do 4.
They've already called 4, right?
Oh,
Oh, you called 3. So you want to do 4?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so ladies come up first. Example 3.
Can I copy off my notebook or not?
Yes, you can bring your notebook up. All right, are you ready? You're writing. Okay, so come around here. And then AJ, you're going to be by the computer so the computer can hear you, okay? All right, everybody, hey, can we agree that it's a little nerve-wracking to get up and teach people? Ms. Langworthy, what do you think? Is it nerve-wracking to get up in front of people to teach? Yeah? So you are going to be exceedingly polite, and if you're not, you will get my wrath. Wrath means anger. And obviously I'm a ferocious person. Okay. All right, make sure you're speaking loud enough that the computer can hear you. You can sit in my chair. Okay. Yeah. Isn't it cozy?
Oh, yeah.
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 Okay, try not to move this. Or if you're going to, you want to pull it down a little bit for yourself? Then I'm going to move that. All right, try not to move it now.
Okay.
All right, AJ, talk away.
Okay, so you
What do I
do
even write?
4 plus 5.
Use the, use the
Okay.
phone.
Yeah, you do 4 plus 5, which
Oh, no,
equals...
AJ's talking,
I'm
man.
talking. You have to do
AJ's
5.
talking. You're right.
Oh, sorry.
Go for it, AJ.
And then, so you do 4 plus 5, which is 9, and then you do 9 times 9, because it's squared, and then that's 81. And then you go to the bottom, and then you do 7 minus 4, which is 3. And then you do 3 times 3, which is 9. Then you do 81 divided by 9, which is 9.
Oh, shoot. Sorry.
Beautiful. Is this enough work? Absolutely. I see what you did. I can see the 9. I can see the 9 up there. The 81 here. The 3. This is perfect, ladies. Please grab a prize. Good job. All right, you guys are up. Who's talking? Who's writing?
I'm talking, you said.
You're gonna come by the computer over here then.
I come over there.
Yeah,
I
because the computer's recording you.
All right.
Have a seat. It's a cozy chair.
Okay.
How do I know
Is
that
that-
they can hear me?
Oh, it's right here. It's recording you. It's just when you're like, if you were to stand over here, the computer would have a hard time picking you up.
All right.
So you can just talk normally. Okay, go for it, guys.
All right. So first
Can't
you
move
gotta
this?
do the 3 minus 2, which equals 1.
Wow. Oh, I gotta rewrite it. Ow. Boom in.
Invited a comedy team up here.
There we go. Boom.
And then you gotta square the 1, which is 1 times 1, which equals 1.
No, that's crazy. Wait. Oh. Good. There we go.
Okay, then you gotta do 10 plus 1, which equals 11. And then you got to do the 15 minus 11, which equals 4. And then you do 4 plus 6, which equals 10. And then that's the answer.
Okay.
If you couldn't tell.
Fantastic, A-plus job, well done. Something that I want to say, is this easy? It depends on you, right? Some people are really good at this stuff, some people are not. Do you know how often adults post these questions on social media, on Instagram and Facebook, and they're like, no, it's you got to do this first. No, you got to do this first. It's just always the same rules. It's always the same rules. It's always the same rules. Okay, fantastic job, boys. Go grab a prize. All right. How do we feel about this lesson? Great, fine, loved it. Okay.
Can I have this right now?
Yeah. Page 9.
How do you open this? With your finger.
Now, normally how this class goes is you can expect that I'm going to give you a lesson, or Ms. Langworthy will give you a lesson, and they'll have 1 day for a lesson and 1 day for homework. So this homework assignment tomorrow will be a work day on this. Do you still have to work on this today? Yes, you got 6 minutes before the end of class. Everybody write it down. Page 9. You want a scissor there, buddy? Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Page 9. Number 2 through 14 evens. Evens means like 2, 4, 6. Everybody okay there? Yeah. And then 30 through 48 evens. The first set is like that translation stuff that we were just doing. You don't have to solve the problem. You just have to translate it into numbers and variables. And then this is going to be all order of operations. Some really hard, some pretty easy. Are you allowed to use a calculator?
Yes.
Yes. What were you going to say? You can move back. You can stay with your partner. I don't care. Wait, before you do, everybody listen to me. What do you think of how I do notes?
Oh, it's fire.
Do you like that we do it together? Do you like that you come up here?
Yeah, it's fire.
Okay. I'm going to go make copies right now of this assignment. Raise your hand if you'd like one. So I know. I'm going to go make copies of these notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it. I gotcha.